Welcome students to the AVM classes. Today we are going to solve word problems related to number system. The first question is as follows. Population of a city was 3,54,976 in the year 2014. In the year 2015, it was found to be increased by 68,438. What was the population of the city at the end of the year 2015? Since population of a city in 2014 is given, which is equals to 3,54,976, as the population has been increased by 68,438 in 2015, so population increase in 2015 is equals to 68,438. Now, the total population at the end of the year 2015 will be the sum of the population in 2014 plus the increase in population in 2015, that is equals to 3,54,976 plus 68,438, which is equals to 4,23,414, which is the required answer. In this question, A equals to 7,43,000 and B equals to 8,100. We have to find which one is greater, either A or B, and by how much. Since A equals to 7,43,000 and B equals to 8,100, both the numbers have maximum place value up to lakh, but 8 is greater than 7, so 8,100,000 is greater than 7,43,000, and B is greater than A by 8,100,000 minus 7,43,000, that is equals to 57,100. This is our next question, in which a small and thin notebook has 56 pages. How many total number of pages will 5,326 such notebooks have? Now in solution, number of pages in one notebook is equals to 56 pages. So one notebook has 56 pages, and number of pages in 5,326 notebook will be equals to total number of notebooks multiplied by number of pages in one book, and which is equals to 5,326 multiplied by 56, which is equals to 2,98,256 pages. So which is the required answer. In our next question, the distance between two places A and B is 3 km 760 meter. A boy travels A to B and then B to A every day. How much distance does he travel in 8 days? So, there is a boy who travels from A to B and from B to A on the same day. We have to calculate the distance traveled by him in 8 days. So in solution, distance between two places is given as 3 km 760 meter. As we know, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, so 3 km 760 meter will be equals to 3760 meter, and distance among A to B and B to A will be equals to twice of 3760 meter, because he is traveling the same distance twice in a day. That's why we are multiplying it by 2. Now, the distance traveled by him in 8 days will be equals to 7520 multiplied by 8, which is equals to 60,160 meter, or it can be written as 60 kilometer 160 meter. Our fourth question read as, Mohini has 30 meter cloth and she wants to make some shirts for her son. If each shirt requires 2 meter 30 centimeter cloth, how many shirts in all can be made and how much length of cloth will be left? So, total length of cloth available to Mohini is equals to 30 meter. As we know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, so 30 meter equals to 3000 centimeter. Now, the length of cloth required for making one shirt is equals to 2 meter 30 centimeter, which is equals to 230 centimeter. So, the shirts made by using 30 meter cloth is equals to 3000 divided by 230, which is equals to 13.04. So 13 shirt can be made out of 30 meter cloth and some cloth will be left. So cloth required to make 13 shirts will be equals to 230, that is the number required for making one shirt multiplied by number of shirt, that is 13. So it is equals to 2990 centimeter or 29 meter 90 centimeter. So the remaining cloth is equals to 30 meter minus 29 meter 90 centimeter equals to 10 centimeter. In this question, a student multiplied 8035 by 87. Instead of multiplying by 78, by how much was his answer greater than or less than the correct answer? As the student has multiplied by the wrong number, that is 87, so his wrong answer will be 8035 multiplied by 87, that is equals to 6,99,045. If he had multiplied that number by the right number, that is 78, then his correct answer would be 8035 multiplied by 78, which is equals to 6,26,730. So his correct answer is less than the wrong answer by 6,99,045 minus 6,26,730, which is equals to 72,315. Our last question of the class read as, a machine manufactures 5,782 screws every day. How many screws will it manufacture in the month of April? Since number of screws per day, that is in one day, is equals to 5,782, and we know that the month of April has 30 days, so number of days in April is equals to 30 days, and the number of screws manufactured by the machine in the month of April is equals to 5,782 multiplied by 30, that is equals to 1,73,460, which is the required answer. Thank you. This much for today and keep learning.